To hard reset Samsung Galaxy A07, first of all, you have to connect Samsung A07 into the PC by using USB-C cable, or you can also do that by connecting this to the second smartphone, but make sure that the second smartphone is turned on. It's necessary. Without this, you will be not able to open the recovery mode. So now we have to just switch off our smartphone. So go for the power off, wait until Samsung logo disappear. Now when you feel vibration, it means that the smartphone is turned off, and we have to use two buttons. We have to click and hold the volume up button and the power key simultaneously, and we have to release them when the Samsung logo appears on the screen. Immediately when the Samsung Galaxy logo appears, you have to release both of them. Now when we are here in the recovery mode, we have to scroll down with the volume down button and select wipe data / factory reset. Click on the power key, then scroll to the factory data reset and click on the power key one more time. Now as you can see, the reset is complete, so now we have to reboot system now, and the process is finished. That's how I can actually do that step by step. I hope you find that video useful.